Are you ready to transform your kitchen with gadgets that make cooking faster, easier, and more fun? In this video, we'll unveil 15 must-have kitchen gadgets from Amazon that will change the way you prep, cook, and serve your favorite meals. From the versatile Magic Bullet Blender to the space-saving Kamenstein Spice Rack, these tools are designed to boost your kitchen efficiency without compromising style. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a busy home cook, these gadgets will simplify your routine and inspire your inner foodie. 15 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets to simplify your cooking. Let's go! Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet Blender is your all-in-one kitchen assistant, perfect for chopping, mixing, blending, whipping, and grinding. Powered by a 250W high-torque motor, it handles everything from creamy smoothies to zesty sauces with ease. The set includes a tall cup, short cup, party mug, and versatile lids for on-the-go convenience. Its compact design fits seamlessly on any countertop, while the included recipe guide inspires quick, delicious meals. Made with durable, high-impact plastic, it's built to last. Whether you're whipping up an omelet or blending fresh veggies, just add a little water for a smoother mix. Fast, efficient, and easy to clean. It's the ultimate tool for hassle-free meal prep. Crock-Pot 7. Quart Oval Manual Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-quart slow cooker is your go-to for hearty family meals. Its generous capacity serves over 9 people. Perfect for gatherings or meal prepping. With high and low cooking settings plus a warm function, you can set it and forget it, ideal for busy days. The removable stoneware insert is oven-safe up to 400-degree ice and doubles as a microwave dish, adding versatility. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Its sleek stainless steel design with black accents fits any kitchen decor. Enjoy economical, healthy, home-cooked meals with minimal effort, making dinner time stress-free and delicious. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. Simplify meal prep with the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. Its stack and press design makes chopping effortless. Just press the lid to start and release to stop. The 350W motor powers through onions, nuts, herbs, and more, while stainless steel blades ensure precision. With a 3-cup capacity, it's perfect for daily use, yet compact for easy storage. The built-in oil dispenser lets you emulsify dressings and sauces seamlessly. Cleaning is hassle-free with dishwasher-safe parts. Whether you're whipping up fresh salsa or baby food, this chopper is your time-saving kitchen companion. Microwave cover for food. Keep your microwave spotless with the Griddle microwave cover. Its dome design prevents splatters and maintains food moisture thanks to a built-in water storage box. The upgraded integrated handle offers a secure grip, and the diversion groove collects excess steam, avoiding messes. Made from BPA-free food-grade polycarbonate, it's safe for microwave use up to 392-degree Celsius. Its versatile design also keeps food warm or fresh in the fridge. Easy to store with a hook hole, this cover is a must-have for efficient, mess-free heating. Durable, odorless, and easy to clean, it's the perfect kitchen essential. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Chop like a pro with the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Its sharp stainless steel blade rotates as you pump the handle, delivering uniform cuts with minimal effort. The comfortable knob reduces strain, while the catcher cup with measurement markings adds convenience. Ideal for veggies, herbs, nuts, and more, it's perfect for salads, salsas, and stir-fries. Compact and easy to clean, this chopper streamlines meal prep without the mess. Reliable, efficient, and designed for everyday use. It's the ultimate tool for quick, consistent chopping. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Dry your greens effortlessly with the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Its one-handed pump design ensures maximum drying with minimal effort, while the patented brake stops the basket instantly with a simple press. The non-skid base keeps it stable during use, and the storage lock secures the pump for easy stacking. The removable basket doubles as a colander, and the clear, durable bowl can be used for serving or storage. Easy to clean and designed for convenience, it's the perfect tool for crisp, fresh salads every time. Once for All Vegetable Chopper. Revolutionize your slicing with the Once for All Vegetable Chopper. Its hidden sharp blade ensures safe, quick slicing without the need for gloves or blade changes. With 4 versatile modes, julienne, matchstick, slicing, and dicing, you can adjust thickness from 0.1 to 8 mm. Perfect for potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more, it's made from high-quality 420 stainless steel for durability. The collapsible. Design saves space and cleanup is easy with the included brush. A practical, safe, and efficient tool for any kitchen, making meal prep a breeze. Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. Make fresh, healthy juice in seconds with the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. Its powerful 800-watt motor maximizes juice yield, while the extra-large 3-inch chute fits whole fruits like apples and bunches of celery. No pre-cutting needed. The stainless steel micromesh strainer ensures smooth results, and the removable parts are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Backed by a 3-year warranty, this juicer is durable and reliable. Whether you're juicing hard or soft produce, it's the perfect tool for nutritious homemade juice with minimal effort. OLIXIS Portable Ice Machine. Enjoy fresh ice anytime with the OLIXIS Portable Ice Machine. It produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, with a capacity of 26.5 pounds in 24 hours. Choose from 2 cube sizes, small for chilling seafood and large for cold drinks. The self-cleaning function ensures clean, healthy ice, and the compact design with a carry handle makes it perfect for kitchens, offices, or outdoor events. Quiet and easy to operate, it's the ideal ice maker for convenience and efficiency. Elite Gourmet Automatic Stirring Popcorn Maker Popper. Pop perfect popcorn every time with the Elite Gourmet Automatic Stirring Popcorn Maker. Its quick heat technology pops up to 3 quarts 40% faster than traditional makers. The motorized stirring rod ensures even heating for crispy, fresh popcorn without burning. The 2-in-1 transparent cover doubles as a serving bowl, and the non-stick hot plate makes cleanup effortless. Add your favorite flavors for a personalized snack. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for movie nights. This popper is a must-have for popcorn lovers. CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker. Make perfect rice effortlessly with the CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker. Featuring fuzzy logic technology, it adjusts cooking time and temperature automatically for flawless results every time. With a 12-cup cooked capacity, it's ideal for families or gatherings. This versatile cooker handles white rice, brown rice, oats, and even baby food with ease. The non-stick pot and removable lid simplify cleanup, while the self-cleaning function saves time. Quick rice and keep warm settings ensure your meal is always ready when you are. Compact, easy-to-use controls make it a must-have for busy kitchens. Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. Cook like a pro with the Bella XL Electric Griddle. Its 1500-watt heating system ensures even cooking, while the titanium-reinforced ceramic non-stick surface is 8x more durable and cooks 30% faster than standard coatings. The extra-large surface is perfect for pancakes, eggs, and more. Cool touch handles and a built-in ledge make flipping easy. With precise temperature control and a dishwasher-safe drip tray, cleanup is a breeze. Eco-friendly and free from harmful chemicals, this griddle is a must-have for quick, healthy meals. Zulay Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand. Elevate your coffee game with the Zulay Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother. Perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and matcha, it creates rich, creamy froth in seconds. Compact and battery-operated, it's easy to use and store. The durable stainless steel whisk cleans effortlessly. Just run it under hot water and spin dry. It comes with a sleek metal stand for easy access. Whether you're a coffee lover or a matcha enthusiast, this frother delivers barista-quality foam at home. Kamenstein 20. Jar Revolving Countertop Spice Rack. Organize your spices with style using the Kamenstein 20 Jar Revolving Spice Rack. The sleek stainless steel design rotates for easy access. Holding 20 pre-filled glass jars with labeled black caps and removable sifters, it includes essential spices like basil, oregano, and rosemary, plus enjoy free spice refills for 5 years. Compact and countertop-friendly, it keeps your spices neat and within reach. Perfect for home cooks looking to add flavor without the clutter. Cuisinart CCO 50N Deluxe Electric Can Opener. Simplify can opening with the Cuisinart CCO 50N Deluxe Electric Can Opener. Its precision power cut blade opens cans effortlessly, while the press and release lever ensures smooth operation. The extra-wide base prevents tipping, and the magnetic lid holder keeps lids secure. It stops automatically once the can is open. The removable activation lever makes cleanup easy. Sleek and efficient, it's a must-have for any modern kitchen. These 15 Amazon kitchen gadgets prove that smart tools can make a world of difference in the kitchen. Whether it's the Cuisinart electric can opener for hassle-free food prep or the Hamilton Beach juicer machine for fresh, nutritious drinks, each gadget brings a unique blend of convenience and functionality. Perfect for daily use or special occasions, these tools will help you cook smarter, not harder. Which gadget caught your eye? Share your must-have kitchen tools in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome kitchen tips, and check the description for links to all the gadgets featured. Happy cooking!